It is a lovely warm day. It must be in the early 20s, I would suggest. Teignmouth. We can't walk over on that side of the seawall, unfortunately. They're still repairing the damage from Storm Ingrid, I think it was, earlier in the year. But it is beautiful today, has to be said. The play park being used. Panning over the den, you can see the big wheel that's only here for a month, but that's going round, which is nice. We will actually go this way and I'll show you the end of the pier, and that's what was damaged. In fact, damaged is an understatement. Blown away would be the best description. You can see there how it's all gone. No plans as I'm aware of yet to repair or restore it. It's a real shame, a real icon for Teignmouth. And gosh, the tide is well in. No beach at all. Oh, there is a little bit of beach up there, but no beach here. So we can't walk down this bit, unfortunately, because they're still repairing that. Let's go back past the Witch's Comb. What we'll do is we'll cross over, actually. And here we go. Here's the den. This is a big green space in Teignmouth. Those of you who have been here will know all about this. They have all sorts of events on here, and quite a few years ago, there's actually a pop concert on here as well. But you see the big wheel going round there. That will give you some fabulous views, and behind is actually the old cinema. See the flats on top of there? You can rent those, they're holiday apartments. Here we've got a Venus beach cafe, which is a little bit more expensive than a traditional beach cafe, but it is really nice. So I hope you're enjoying this walk. A little bit of marketing now if you're... In fact, let's stop at the beach cafe, show you the price list there. Everything seems to be going up these days, but yeah, very nice, it has to be said. So yes, a little bit of marketing if you haven't already subscribed, if you can subscribe. If you want to see more Devon walks, Devon tours on my adventures across the southwest, and maybe you've been to Teignmouth, and if you like this video, why not give it a like? And when did you come here? There we go. Look at that, the big wheel going round. Great for Teignmouth. Spring bank holiday. How lovely is that? Let's pan back to the pier. Always lots going on in this seaside resort, which I think is great, shortly. And there you go, there's the pier. It's only in the front bit now, and it's arcades and slot machines and stuff, which is a shame because you could walk all down to the end, but obviously not anymore. So it is high tide, but how great is this? People actually, the guy there going in for a swim. People enjoying the beach. Always makes me chuckle. You've got a guy there in his shorts, yet you've got a couple here coming off in fleeces and stuff. So that's written through. As I pan to the left, you'll see the pavilions. Again, nice cafe in there, and a restaurant up top, and that's where the theatre is. You may have seen that on previous videos, but we will carry along. What a lovely day, the sun is out. And here you go, you might have one of these on a beach near you, but this is worth investigating because this is the Devon Community Sauna. So you can book your spot with the QR code, go in the sea, get cold, come out in the sauna. What's better than that? Good to see this is a lifeguarded beach. Let me just cross over here so you can see. So there's 3 lifeguards on duty. The water temperature 13 degrees. That's a little bit chilly. Air temperature 25 degrees. Gosh, 13 degrees. In one of my videos last summer I was in Paphos and it was 25 degrees, 26, something like that. So a little bit of a difference. But as I say, it is a lifeguarded beach, so you do have the rescue gear there. So if you're a family, you can be assured that you're going to be looked after. Or at least safe, shall we say. Safe as you can be. It is beautiful, isn't it? As we look out over the sea, see the 5 knot buoys there. So there shouldn't be any watercraft inside of that. There's a guy out on a paddleboard. And as I pan back that way, we're looking into Teignmouth. And there's someone getting the fishing ships. This actually here, where the white car is, that used to be a pub. That used to be the Sellers Arms. Now be converted to flats. But let's just carry on along. Someone else looks like they're going in on a paddleboard there. So I hope whatever you're up to this bank holiday, you're enjoying yourself and enjoying the sunshine. It's great to see Teignmouth coming alive. First big holiday of the summer. And people out and about. Look at the beach there. So maybe you're coming down here this summer. Or you go for a weekend trip. Whatever, if the weather's good, it really is nice. The beach is safe. As safe as it can be. The sea's nice. People playing in the water there. And of course you can walk, I've effectively walked from one end to the other end.
There is a class.
So you can even just enjoy the promenade. In the distance there, that's looking past the Ex estuary, so we're looking over to Exmouth, Sidmouth over there. The nearest thing where you can see people walking along the seawall, that's actually the railway line there. And that would take them, if they're carried all the way down there, they'd have to do some footpaths, but that would take them to Dawlish. And this here is the yacht club in front of us, Coast Watch, and a rather nice cafe. You'll notice, if you watch a few of my videos, I do tend to mention the cafes. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. This seems like a good place to stop. As I say, if you haven't already, if you could drop me a subscribe, And if you like this video, go on, give it a like, and I know you want to. As I pan back, there you go, looking over to Torbay. What's not to like about that? Thank you for watching.